So have you been looking for a comprehensive SEO plugin that you can use to optimize your WordPress website? Then in this particular video, we take a look together at a popular WordPress SEO plugin that you can use to rank your website much faster. But before we dive into that, WordPress is a popular content management system that you can use to build, whether it is a website, a blog, e-commerce, or even a web app. And when it comes to search engine optimization, there are a lot of tools that you can use to optimize your website, and even you can decide to not use any SEO plugin to optimize your website because WordPress is a friendly content management system. But if you like to take your search engine optimization further, then using a popular SEO plugin tools is highly recommended for your website. So, and based on what from research so far, so there are, like I earlier mentioned, there are different plugins that you can use to optimize your website. But when it comes to a comprehensive SEO plugins that provide SEO tools for you to optimize your website, then rankmath SEO is a popular SEO plugin that would like to recommend to you to use on your website, whether it is in the year 2025 or beyond. So in this particular video, we're going to take a look at demo to show you how comprehensive SEO plugin, the rankmath SEO plugin it is. So in this case, I already have the rankmath SEO plugin installed on my website, and if you don't have it on your website, you can simply go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and then simply search for rankmath SEO. And when you search for rankmath SEO, it's going to bring out the rankmath SEO plugin for you. So this is the rankmath SEO plugin, and presently now it's having about 3+ million active installations with a positive reviews of 6,923, and the WordPress plugin is always been updated. So as you can see from here, you have the last updated 1 week ago. So that's a brief about the rankmath SEO plugin. Now let's go to the practical part and see the features that comes with the rankmath SEO plugin. So to access the features, so all you have to do is click on active install if you have not yet installed it, and click on activate. Then you have the rankmath SEO dashboard, which is a dashboard that is going to show you what the tools have to offer. So you have I'm presently using the free version, and the free version is enough to optimize your website to any length that you want. But if you like to extend it further, you can also get the pro version, which is actually quite optional. So we have two options for the dashboard. You have the easy mode and you have the advanced mode, depending on your level of experience when it comes to SEO. So for the easy mode, you have these particular options that you can either disable or disable. So there has been this question about people that want there are two different types of people when it comes to using SEO on their WordPress website. So there are those that actually prefer a simpler SEO plugin that does not have too much features, just is basic simple features for them to optimize your website. So if that is the issue, you can simply have the easy mode installed, then disable or enable the options that you want your rankmath SEO plugin to have. And there are the other set of people that want a comprehensive SEO tools, that is, they want to be able to customize their SEO, their website SEO to any length that they want. So if you belong to this group, you can turn on these options that you are seeing here to enable you to provide to give you the flexibility to customize your website SEO. And you can even click on the advanced to access more features of what the rankmath SEO plugins would offer. So you can see you have a lot of options that here. So I'm going to start first with the easy mode. So when you get to the rankmath dashboard, presently this option under the rankmath SEO is what I have. So I have the dashboard, the analytics, the general settings, titles and meta, structures and tools, help and support. So when you get to the dashboard, you have some modules that are here. So there is the content AI module, which is a new option that is by rankmath SEO. So, and this content AI enables you to get sophisticated AI suggestions for related keywords, questions and links to include in your SEO meta and content areas. So if you would like to make use of this in order for you to be able to generate AI suggestions for your related keywords, then you can simply turn it on. And when you turn it on, it's going to bring the option. You can see it's going to bring the option here, so you can click on content AI and be able to navigate how you want it. So once you click on the content AI, it's going to bring this pop-up that you should start using content AI by connecting your rankmath.com. So you need to click on connect now, and then it's going to connect your. So then they also have the AMP. So the AMP simply means accelerated mobile plugin. So before you can be able to use this, you have to use a plugin called the AMP plugin. So what this plugin does is that it helps to make your website mobile view. It helps to make it much more better by simply displaying a version of your website for mobile visitors in a view. So this is a plugin for the AMP. So the page experience is a set of ranking signals, including core web filters, measuring the user experience of interacting with a web page. So this is actually quite optional if you don't want to use this, and you can either turn it on or turn it off. Then we also have the analytics. So the analytics is actually a very important tool that I recommend that you should have it turned on in your dashboard. So with the analytics, you can connect rankmath with Google Search Console so that you can be able to see the most important information from Google directly in your dashboard. So that means instead of going to your Google Search Console, you can easily be able to see, for instance, the SEO, the keywords that is ranking on your website, and the keywords that is either ranking positively or negatively. So you can easily see it from your website dashboard by simply turning the analytics on. So once you have turned it on, so by default it's turned on. So if you want it to be turned on, you just have it turned on. If you do not like this module on your website, so you can easily turn it off, but I highly recommend that you turn it on. So once you have turned it on, then you click on analytics, and when you click on analytics, so you need to connect your rankmath account, and then after connecting your rankmath account, you connect it with your Google account as well. So you also have the instant indexing. So the instant indexing, what it does is that it directly notifies search engines like Bing and Yandex using the index. Now whenever you add a new page, or it's on your website, or you update a new page, or you move the new page. So this is very important for those who want their pages to be instantly indexed on search engines. So if you want to have this feature, all you have to do is to click it, turn it on, and then you can click on instant indexing. So when you click on instant indexing, then you select the post that you want to always be instantly indexed. So by default, I have the post and the pages, which are the most important pages, the most important post types on WordPress. And if you also like your media, such as the pictures, the videos, and all other media in your website to also be indexed, so you click on them, and then you click on save changes. So that's for the instant indexing. So you have the link counter, which actually counts the total number of internal and external links inside your post, whether it is to your post or from links inside your post. So this is also optional if you want this, and if you don't want it, you can turn it off. So you also have great other options, so which is the local SEO for which is similar to how you want to dominate search results for local audience, similar to how we have the Google My Business on your website. So this local SEO enables you to dominate the search result for your local audience. So if you have a business, so that you are, for instance, let's say I have Bizcloser, which is a business, a local business owner for someone that, so this is the business Global Services Limited, and it's agricultural services in Ibadan. So we have the address at Oluyole Ibadan in there. So if you have a business like this, so you can also turn the local SEO off. It is highly recommended to have it turned on. So when you turn the local SEO on, you can click on the settings to decide how you want your website to rank. For instance, is this business a person business or an organization? So if it represents a business, you click on person, and if it represents an organization, you click on organization. So this is like the schema for your local SEO. Then you insert your website name. For in this case, this is for a car wash business. Then alternative name, something like an acronym or shortener name, you click there. Then you also enter the person organization name. So since this is a person, or I'm going to click on the person, Then you click on you upload your logo, you enter the URL of your website, the email, the phone number, the address, the about us page. So if you have the about us page, all you have to do is select the about us page on the website, and you also select the contact page. So that is for local SEO for your website using rankmath SEO. Then you also have the news sitemap. So this is actually for website that is a news website. So you have something like so let's say in this case I have a website like aminloadednews.com, so which is actually a popular news website. So you can have the news sitemap on your website. So what this does is that if you want to be posting, if you plan on posting news related content on your website, or you already have news related content on your website, so when you turn the news sitemap on, so it allows you to be able to create a new sitemap for your news related content, similar to how we have the generic sitemap on the website. So this website, which is Uploaded News, is actually a news website. So you can have the rankmath SEO, then the news sitemap, you can turn it on from this. So if you also make website, if you also make podcasts, you can also have the podcast turned on, and you also have the schema structure data. So I highly recommended you to also turn it on. It allows you to be able to add schema code in your website, which results in which search results and better CTR, that is click-through rate, and more traffic on your website. So you also have the SEO analyzer. So what SEO analyzer does is that it enables rankmath to analyze your website and your website content using 28 plus different tests to provide tailor-made SEO analysis. So for instance, you want to analyze your website and see how things are faring. So all you have to do is, once you turn it on, then you just click on SEO analyzer right from your dashboard, and it's going to analyze your website. But before you can analyze that, you have to link the rankmath account on your website. So so that's how the SEO analyzer works. And you can also visit rankmath website. So when you go to rankmath website by visiting rankmath.com, so you can also access the SEO analyzer tool from the website. So you have the SEO analyzer tool from here, and when you click on the SEO analyzer tool, so all you have to do is just enter your website here. So when you enter your website URL, https, for instance, let's say I want to analyze google.com, so and you click on analyze, then it's going to analyze it's going to perfect an in-depth SEO analysis of your website. But the difference between using it on rankmath and using it in your account is that you can easily analyze your website from your dashboard when you turn it on. This is an external tool on rankmath website that enables you to analyze your website. So you can see these are some common past warning and field tests from google.com website. So you have the common keywords. So there are no common keywords, there's no meta description, no h1 tags. So these are some of the keywords, and so these are some of the features that is missing from the google.com homepage, and which is this google.com landing page and not the google.com results page. So this is the google.com landing page, and these are some of the tests that is being generated by rankmath. So with that, you can also see the search preview, you can see the mobile search preview and the snapshot of your website. So you also have the sitemap, which helps search engines to intelligently crawl your website. So it's possible to intelligently crawl your website, and you can turn this on or turn it off. So this is actually quite important as well. So you have the video sitemap if you are posting video related content on your website. You have the Google Web Stories, the WooCommerce for any website that is an e-commerce store. So you can easily turn this on or turn it off. But before you can turn the WooCommerce on, you have to ensure that you first have the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your website. So this all what I've discussed for the comprehensive SEO tool is for the easy mode. So if you also if you are curious and you like to explore more, so you can easily click on advanced mode. But kindly note that if you have a beginner to medium knowledge about SEO works, so I would recommend that you start with the easy mode. But if you are quite confident in your SEO knowledge, in your knowledge of SEO, so you can click on the advanced mode to explore more tools that is being provided by rankmath. So from the advanced mode, you have some modules that is not in the easy mode. For instance, you have the 404 monitor, which enables you to record. For instance, if there is a page that is not working on your website and your visitor access it, so this 404 monitors is going to show the page so that you can be able to see what pages are not working on your website. Then you have the ACF, which helps rankmath to read and analyze content within in advanced custom feeds. So if you do not have ACF installed on your website, you actually do not need it. So you also have the wordpress, which is another plugin for forum on your website, to enable forum on your website. So if you don't have the wordpress plugin installed on your website, you can also turn it off. So the same thing also for wordpress. Wordpress is like a social network plugin for your website. Then you also have the image SEO, which I highly recommend that you turn on. So what this does is that it enables you to for instance, if you're searching for images on your website, so it enables people to access it enables people to find the images on your website on Google via the ALT, the alternative and title tags. So so there are also, so these are the instant indexing, link counter, and local SEO is already available in the easy mode. So you also have the redirection, which is the advanced mode, and this redirection enables you to redirect. For instance, if you have a page that is not working in the 404 monitor, so you can use the redirection to simply redirect the pages that is not working to a page that is working. So you have the role manager, which enables you to use WordPress role to control which are the site users, whether it is the editor, the content, the author, or the administrator, to use the part that you want them to be using from your rankmath SEO settings. And then you have the Google Web Stories, which enables you to make any story created with the Web Stories WordPress plugin SEO with automatic support. So this is why rankmath SEO provides this is the major reason why, if you are looking for comprehensive SEO tools for your website, so rankmath is actually the best choice for you. It enables you to either turn on or turn off some SEO plugins. So if you like to a simpler SEO plugin, then you can easily turn most of these features off. And if you like a comprehensive SEO tools, you can turn these SEO you can turn these modules, you can simply turn them on. So that's for SEO plugins. So that's the introduction to the rankmath SEO comprehensive tools and how you can actually elevate your website SEO plugin. So if you have any other questions that you'd like to know about rankmath SEO, you can simply visit the website at rankmath.com, or simply leave a comment on this video if there is a particular part that you'd like to know about the rankmath SEO module.